We back, we're still building. It's updating the Vitality Challenge. We wanted to run that out. I wanted to get all you guys involved and amongst it. This is my stream's off, but it's back. We're back. We're back, we're bigger, we're better, we're ready to go. Okay, streaming. 0 viewers for now. Just wait. If you know what it means. So then you come in here and you go, so that was the most recent one. Building an AI, okay, so I'm calling this one Building an AI Company. Retake thumbnail, upload custom thumbnail. All right, team, I'm just going live on adding YouTube to the mix. We're live. Welcome back. Boom. We are in the process of creating the world's most advanced longevity technology to solve the world's biggest problem, aging. I love building stuff. I love creating. I love solving problems. This is problem number 1 for humanity. And as a team, we're going to solve this. We're going to run this thing out of here. So join, get amongst it. Let's go. Now, let me just jump back. I was in the process of creating a vitality challenge for our users, but I was functionality testing one of our features, which is adding like a bit of a challenge so that users can share with their friends and get amongst it. When I did, I'm just not sure where I put the page. So I'm just going to open it again. Let me just pull, I'm just gonna run this one over here on a different tabs. This is the challenge I created. One person's joined, I wanna be able to share it. Currently there's no option to share. So this morning I've been rebuilding the share option. So basically, if you go, so share challenge, so challenge sharing system implemented this morning. So how it works, after creating a challenge, users get a shareable link. So click the link, auto opens, join dialogue with code pre-filled. 1 click for friends. Invite code, also supply them with an invite code. Success. So sharing options, click the share button. So let's just see. I'm going to push this new feature live and we're going to test this live together. So let me share my screen. So I'm just gonna make a quick video on this. Hey guys, I've just implemented a new feature, this Vitality Challenge, which you can see here. Basically, I want to help people stick to their targets and their goals, and I know if they can get their friends amongst it and they can compete with their friends, potentially earn some extra cryptocurrency for doing so, the currency of the future, I think that will really help people. So I've just built a new feature and I'm currently in the process of pushing it live. So as you can see, we have the 7-day habit completion feature. There is no option to share it yet. I'm just doing a merge to production right now. So now let's refresh and let's see if it's in there. So copy code. Where's my link? Submissions. No submissions yet. So I've got a shareable code. Let me go back to my code and see if I can recode this up. So it's a shareable link. Click the link. Auto opens join dialogue. I had the link here. The user should also be rewarded. Let me just code that in there. They should also be rewarded with some coin cryptocurrency. So if I put it here, I say there is no share button. So it should be a referral link that earns them more coin. All right, the Joys team. Let's code this back in. I'm going to stop sharing recording. I'm going to delete that one. Let me send this copy code to a few close friends and see if I can get some people amongst it. I'm just going to say, hey bro, I've launched a vitality challenge, 7 days, complete 100% of your habits to win coin. Can you jump on and compete with us just to try and test it and see if it's actually valuable and works? So, hey bro, I've launched my vitality challenge, 7 days complete, 100% habit completion to win, 100% habit completion to win extra coin, EXTRAQI. Can you jump on, try and test this actually valuable and works? Here is the joining code once in the challenge. When now I woke, I spit that on the necklace. So I'm gonna send this one. Send it to him, to White Manu, send it to Harley. Oh, I gotta give him the link to the app. Make sure that picture's not open. That will get me blocked. I don't. Oh man, it's annoying. Vitality challenge in this app I am making. Seven days complete, 100% habits. 100% habits completion to win extra coin. Can you jump on and complete with us just to try and test to see? Let me just write this in English. That'd be nice for everyone. All right, kick. What's going on? Where's everyone? So much emphasis. Can you tidy this message up? Hey bro, I've just launched some completion. That's better. See if I can. Let's get a few friends on it. I got one friend who's like crazy functionality tester. He will rip this to shreds, which is exactly what I need. All right, that'll do. Now, I've just done some updates in the app. Not sure where that went. Your homies looking like white guy when they reminisce over you, my God. My live stream is pumping to the moon. I'm gonna change the world. It's loading. So if I jump into my vitality challenge, there should be a copy link. We did it. All right, guys. So just to finish this video I was working on before, let's do it again. Hey team, welcome. That's lame. Let's start again. Hey guys, I have just rebuilt a Vitality Challenge feature within the app because I believe if I can get people to get their friends involved and they can compete and they can earn, it's going to really help people live longer, healthier lives and stick to their habits. So I've just built this, we've coded this up. Now it's a bit of a habit. So the habit is complete all of your habits for 7 days. Whoever completes the highest percentage for the 7 days will win first prize. So first prize, the prize pool was, I think it was $10 coin. So you can all jump on board with this. Here's the code here. Now the problem was there's no shareable link, which was frustrating because I'm like, how am I going to share this with people? So we've just recoded it up and I'm about to do a feature merge from staging to production. So I thought it'd be fun to share that with you guys. So I'm going to go, I'm merging to production now. So fingers crossed, this should be good, this should work. Okay, the merge is complete. Let's do a page refresh. So this should now be an option. We coded in an option that will provide a shareable link. Yes. Now this link here should earn you 50 cents as well. You're gonna earn an extra 50 cents when someone joins with this. So currently I'm coming first. So I'm gonna copy this link. Cool. And I'll send it out to my friends. Now, just wanna share something else. My solo challenge. So how do you complete these habits? When you onboard to Project 130, the AI will ask you a series of questions about your health story. You answer it and it will create some habits for you based on science and artificial intelligence that will help you, and that science has suggested will help you live longer. So as you see, we scroll through here. These are what I've completed today. I've done 1 liter of water. I've done 20 pulls, 100 squats, and I think down here I've done like another 100 push-ups. But yeah, jump on, let's compete, let's earn, let's see who can win this one. Start recording. So these are some good videos I can use. Be good to get a bit of time just to cut up some videos at some point. I'll try and do that tonight because I've got a lot of videos that need to go out. All right, so post yesterday's habits. I was gonna run a post. So it's gonna go into my community section, which is like social media. Need to do more cool things to make my posts cooler. My pop-ups were funny today, acting like rascals. Got some Christmas shopping done. Yeah, for online shopping. Not quite getting my habits done. All right, so this is me yesterday. I got in the ice bath, day 10. So I need to post my next day on there. That's pretty exciting for me. All right, I will actually do that later. Let's email funnels. Okay. Let me just ask ChatGPT. In base for what do people use for email marketing funnels? And I'm gonna jump onto the Discord and I'm gonna ask some of the users in Discord what they use for functionality testing. How's my kick stream going? Anyone in there? 2 viewers, let's go. Okay. So what's chat saying? So, base 44 primary and no code AI. Just keep in mind, base 44 primary marketing. So, base landing page forms inside base 44 app to capture leads. When you might be. Sometimes just checking on YouTube gets me some really cool results. So if I go, let's just see, it's going to be like a marketing funnels base football. It wasn't tech, it was about the funnel, the subscribers, and the hype. The $80 million rug pull. Base 44 tutorial, creative sales assets for step-by-step training. Because I've seen that in base 44, they should have there's like a home button, home page, use security, app overview. A bit of a look. Let me just go to Discord. I might even put the stream in Discord. See if anyone's interested in there. So users, data, analytics, domains, security. Because I thought base 44 has plugin apps. Bro, Discord is such a wild place. The people on there are so wild. The app's so wild. It's forcing me to do an update without my permission. It's kind of like how Microsoft used to act back in the day. Okay, here's page 4 for its plugins. What you can do with integration, basically for its integration catalog, where you can pick, okay, what isn't limitations. Okay, how do I get to the base 44 catalog? Base 44 catalog. Useful apps. Surely this will get me there. Right, I am in Discord. Is there like a streaming for Discord? Maybe I chit chat. No, I might not. I feel like I was going to put my live stream in the Base 44 Discord chat, but I know what will happen. So my apps. Explore templates from the community. I want plugins. App templates, integrations. Yes. Let's solve the integration problem. So resend, monday.com, eToro. eToro is an Israeli social trading. Okay, create your integration. Gemini, this integration connects your application to Google Gemini. 11 Labs, Twilio, Zapier, Gronk, that's cool. HubSpot, sync customer data, automation, marketing, workflows. While I'm doing that, this reminds me, let me just check my CRM. Okay, so 11 Labs, Slack, Twitter, Bridge, FAAI, Katsu API, Hype Payments. I really just want an email, so Twilio, SMS, send SMS messages directly to your clients using Twilio. This integration lets you securely connect to your Twilio. 11 Labs, generic, realistic, high quality speech from text. I want to send my emails and my SMSs from the same platform. I don't want to have two platforms. I don't know if they're HubSpot. Okay, create your own integration, brutal. HubSpot sync data, that'll be cool. I will run HubSpot at some point. I believe. I will once my CRM gets too big. Right now, I have a few real users. Bro. Carly. Sorry, I shouldn't read these out. From New York. Got a couple people from the USA. Let's go. Fuck, that's big. Fuck, that's big. Sorry for swearing. That's exciting. I have some real users. So I have 2 premium users. So I got Charles. I got 1, 2, 3 real users. The rest are me and my friends. Wow, that's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. That's incredible. We did it. We did it. The first one is always the hardest. The first sale is always the hardest. Now we're gonna just flood through. Okay, so integrations. Now let's start off with that SMS one. Maybe I could just use HubSpot. I don't want to right now. We'll come back to that. So integrations. I'm going to try Twillo. Surely Twillo will have an email system. Users integration. Describe the app you want to create. Send Twillo messages directly to your clients using Twillo's integration. Let's you securely connect your Twillo account and build cool things. Okay. Describe the app idea below, inspired by our templates. No. I want to add Twillo to my existing app. I don't want to create a new app. It's funny. That's funny. I want to add Twillo to my existing app. I don't want to create a new app. How do I do that? Let's see if that is a thing. While I'm doing that, let me check. I did have a support ticket open with these legends. Be my help center. God, you know I love to show off. Okay, so I'm going to my support ticket. Have they helped me? They shut down one of my, according to the Willows tool, your project130.app domain currently has a client hold status. This means that INS temporarily disabled your domain because the email address used during registration wasn't verified within 15 days of purchase. To fix this, please log into INS account and complete the email verification steps. Man, this is rough. All right, sorry. I lost one of my domains recently, my project130.app, which is the domain I was most excited about. You're referred by a friend. That's beautiful. That link works. Copy. But now I need to go to a new link. Oh, bro, what the hell is going on here? INOS. This is INOS website. ION. All right, I'm going for a 7-day streak on my habits. IONOS. 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 I never be laid back as this beat was. I never knew why people would reach a fake ass facade. Please sign me in. One of these platforms. This is just another problem to solve. I'm not some meat boots in the summertime like Will I Am. I don't even remember what my email was for this. Right now, guys, I'm verifying one of my domains that was blocked. Here it is, domain locked. There we go. They were right. How could they do that to me? I thought we're friends. Get bundle. Nah, bro. I just want to reactivate my domain. Show details, privacy, contact, renewal, and transfer DNS. Resend verification email. That should be pretty easy. Send email. Baggy clothes, Reeboks are Adidas. Neither. Alright, what's that word? Almost got me there. Here we go. Here we go. So, here's my spam. And I'm back to tear it up. Here to start your engine. I hear I'm gearing up. Resend verification email. You have changed the contact email address of the owner of your domain. The Internet Corporation of. Just send me my domain. Perfect. Yes, here it is. I think we're on here. The church won't tithe, so I can't afford to pay. Email address verification. I confirm that there's an email, of course. Thank you for confirming your email address. Let's see if it fixed. No. All right. So I was checking a domain I purchased. After adding a domain, add domains. The domain is base, it is project 130.app, which I bought through base 44. Pending. Verified domain. Okay. All right, let's go to the next task in our list. Email funnels, SMS funnels. Dropship my own supplement. So I reckon I need to install HubSpot. Let me have a look at that option. Base 44 email funnels. How do I install HubSpot to base 44? So let's just pull this up. I mean, where was I? I went to. I'm going to go to base 44 integrations. Base 44 GIS. Automate tasks between base 44 integration means integrations. Okay, these are my integrations. So I really want to use HubSpot. So I was just asking ChatGPT, where'd my ego? Okay, step by step, log into base 44 workplace. Okay. Let's just run these two. Actually, it might be even better to just do this. Let's run page by page, side by side. best mates, shoulder to shoulder. Okay, log into Base 44 Workplace or create the app you want. Navigate to integration catalog in Base 44. Find the HubSpot integration. Okay, so this is where I struggle. So I want to go back to Workplace. Go to integrations. Resend. Send personalized, reliable emails directly from your Base 44 app using resend. That was not there 5 minutes ago. I swear on my life. Anyway, let's just do this. So I'm going to go overview. Sync customer data automatically. Okay, navigate integration catalog. Find the HubSpot itinerary listed. Your tools. Click add integration. Am I missing something here? Documentation. Use this integration. Okay, so log into your HubSpot account. Okay, let's just go step by step, chat. ChatGPT. It's one thing I like to do. Let's write down. Also, it would make sense to ask ChatGPT, I wonder if we're going to have to pay for Base 44. I'll jump into my app. Oh, my fan's turned on the Mac. It's the first time I've even heard it struggle. Alright, so step by step. Can you install the HubSpot integration? HubSpot, every person I've worked with loves HubSpot. I've actually not used it. So this would be a good chance. Some really reputable people believe it's very good. So navigate settings, integration, private apps. Okay, secrets required. Okay, please provide your HubSpot API key. Your HubSpot API key, get it from HubSpot settings integration. Okay, looks like I need to set up a HubSpot account. Your HubSpot API key, get it from HubSpot settings integrations. Okay, makes sense. Probably need to set up a HubSpot account. That does make sense. This is how I'm trying to solve today's problem of setting up the email and SMS marketing funnels. Streamline your entire business free HubSpot. With free CRM, you know what they always say, if something's free, you're the product. But whatever, we'll figure this out. I'm coming home again. Maybe we can start again. Get the CRM. Get the CRM. Tim found out we are on our way. Boom. Okay, what am I in? Marketing, technology, services, real estate, financial, health, work, education. Why is there never an option for changing the world? Tech and services. I am the owner. What is your company's name? Company's name is Project 130, taking humanity to age 130. How many people work at your company? For now, it's just me and my AI friends, best friends. Company website. Well, do you want the app or the landing page? I'll give you the landing page. Project130.co, I think, co. J-A-Y. So let's tailor your experience. We're glad you're here, Tim. I've never seen a message like that. Feels good. Wow, it feels really good. What would you like to focus on first? Automate marketing, general leads, grow and manage sales pipelines, scale customer support, build a website or landing page, send bills. I think, well, I'm here to automate my marketing. What tools do you use? I have Gmail, but I'm gonna go other. I'm not really using that. Continue with Gmail. The baseline. Oh, bro, this is beautiful, man. Like, 2 viewers, massive. I know. YouTube 0, stream 2. I know. I'm gonna take a deep breath and enjoy this. Because one day I'm not gonna be able to work because I'm gonna have to respond to the chat. It's gonna be going crazy. Select the HubSpot can access. You can access my email, my Gmail. The permissions to link contacts won't sync. Try again by selecting the needed permissions. No, I don't need you to link my contacts from here. Add 1 or 2 contacts. All right, let me jump into my CRM. Bottom of the totem, everyone top and everybody on the scroll. My big brother. All right, I'm gonna put in my account. First name is Tim. Last name, founder. Email address is, on this one it's tomscanterbury, MSANTLEBURY @gmail.com. What is my job title? Founder. Actually, idea. Don't even know how to spell this word. Actualizer. 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 Don't know what that means. I think if I can leave, if I end this stream at 5:40, I can spend 10 minutes uploading it and 10 minutes exercising. Actually, I won't need 10 minutes today. Work from home, email address, Tom Scanterbury. More like a finger roll. Zone Coldplay. Woo! Welcome to HubSpot. Next views, contact properties. All contacts, newest, yeah, whatever. Okay. Your marketing tool progress, recommended. All you need to get started. Set up the basics, import your contacts, invite teammates, and understand HubSpot. All right, I'll figure this out. Attract new customers with Marketing Hub. All right, so I need to go to settings, it said. Expand the navigation. It's a good idea. I don't see settings. Hip hop's brother. Okay, so I am now in HubSpot. Oh, settings, there it is. What did it say? It said go to settings. Create a private app. No, I'm. All right, so HubSpot, what do we have? It says it wants my HubSpot API key, and it said to get it in your HubSpot API key, get it from HubSpot. Settings, integrations. Oh man. API key. Brutal. I was like, this is gonna work. Maybe you could pull them out of your dreams. Okay, so it wants me to go to integrations API key or create a private app at settings, integrations, private apps, connected apps. I reckon it'll be in connected apps. Connect your first app. This has got to be it. All we got is today, so I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. Try the descript apps for HubSpot. I don't know. I just want my API key. Explore more apps. I don't. Maybe some base 44. Oh man, not working. Okay, so AppQB or create a private app at settings, integrations, private apps for better security with specific. Wow, it has a lot of integrations. So new arrivals. I don't want to explore my apps. I want to create my own, which is what we just showed. Account details, audit log, user teams, products, connected app, legacy, email service, marketing, dashboard. So it looks like they have an assistant. So let's paste in, see if this works. So I'll start off by saying, I'm trying to connect HubSpot to base 44. Base 44 is asking for my HubSpot API key. These are the instructions it has given me. All right, let's see how the AI support is. Good morning. Ooh. I need to go to the toilet. I need a wee. Take a leak, buy a break, BRB. Listen to that beautiful song. It is a good morning. Then I wish I could stop time like a photograph. Bro, Chris Brown rapping? Okay, so go to HubSpot. All right, I'm in the right place. The documentation searches. I did not return step-by-step instructions directly creating and retrieving a HubSpot creator. However, based on your needs, the current HubSpot securities recommendation here's the approach you should follow. The traditional HubSpot API key method is being phased out and replaced with private apps for better security and content. For new integrations, you should create a private app in HubSpot. So to do that, go to settings. Now what I'm gonna do, I keep that instructions open. I don't know if I can. So if I run this, I should be able to go side by side just in case I lose that bad boy. Victorian. Right, so go to HubSpot, then click settings, gear. In the left sidebar, click integrations. Integrations, private apps. Ooh, wait, integrations. There's no private apps. wonder if this is like a upgrade. Say there is no private apps option under integrations. Did you realize that you were a champion? Based on the results of the documentation searches I made, HubSpot portal does not show the private apps under integrations only section like portal shows private apps under integrations only sections like connected apps and legacy apps. The documentation does not directly address why the private apps option is missing, but some likely reasons are private apps access may require a certain subscription tier. Double check the permissions level to ensure you have super admin, or I created, I'm sure I have super admin, surely. How do I do that? In the movie game talking about the rich ones. I'm gonna go back to base 44 because I'm sure they have encountered this problem. What is base? Can you help me? You packed it up and brought it back to the crib. So you guys see how useful base 44 can be on this section? So I'm gonna say there is no option under integrations other than created apps, legacy apps, email service provider. Which one should I go to? Kids gonna listen to, huh? Forget if it isn't you. Edit and apply elements on a timeline. Get started. This is a pretty cool stream. The live stream is being processed. Other editing options will be available once the processing is complete. Cool. Base, what do you got for me? You should go to private apps. Integration. There's no private apps option. Private apps for the modern solution way to get an API key. However, I don't see it in your screenshot. Here's what to do. Option 1, private apps recommended. Click on integrations with private apps. It might be below the options you showed. Click create private app. I just showed you this. No. Email service provider, legacy apps. There we go, legacy apps. Create legacy app. For many accounts, for one account. Basic info. It's still in private apps, create private app. Go to scopes. So if I say, went to legacy apps and it gave me this option here. Right now, Yah has forsaken us. My lateness. Captions, copyright, subtitles. Oh, bro, sorry, I'm just editing a Instagram video, YouTube video as well. A, B, C, D, E, English. Perfect, you're in the right place. It's like private apps. I'll let it finish thinking. perfect, you're in the right place. This is actually private apps creation screen, the modern way. Let me guide you through step one. Fill in the basic info, name, change it to something clear like, that one looks good. Description. That'll do, donkey. I don't think I need a logo, surely. So there's scopes. Am I missing something? Does it really want a logo? Oh, right, I don't even know what this is. It's gonna be P130, I think, a logo. There you go. Ooh, looks horrible. What's going on? What am I missing? Do I have too many? What's this problem? Okay. Scopes. Now it wants a new scope. Okay, does it say scopes? Two scopes for destination. You see a list, permissions, contacts, CRM objectives, contacts, CRM objectives, contacts, right. Option, if you want to track events, timeline for our security, CRM objects, and click create app. So I only go to, what was the first one? It was CRM objects, contacts. Let me search this one. Toya. Grab that one. Also gonna grab that one. Add new scope. The future is most definitely ours. Okay. Then I go create app. I don't even do my webhooks. Create app. Create app. You're about to create a new private app. This will generate an access token that can be used for updates to HubSpot data. Be sure only share this token. Cool. Now, that is your API key. Step 3, API key. After creating HubSpot, will show you an access token. Okay, where's my access token? Off. Oh. Huh. Beautiful. Isn't it nice when things work? I'm going to pull this off the screen. I don't know what you scoundrels are up to. Show token. What does it need? It's asked me for, initially base asked me for, secret required. Secret form is previous message. Okay, so now it's in step 3, get your API key. After creating HubSpot, will show you an access token. Copy and paste it here. All right, copy. I'm gonna paste it here so you legends don't see it. If this works, I'm sold. Bro, Kick, can you give me some views? This is wild, bro. I think my stream has ended. Okay. Edit. So I'm just editing my... While that's thinking, let's get this stream on YouTube. So I'm going to go to stream settings have moved. No, I'll do a live chat replay, I don't care. There's no live chat to replay, but just in future, I sure would like to discuss changes. Comments, subtitles, copyright, clip. There's nothing to clip. Just ready to go. Smoke screens, chokes, and just, okay. I need to change the save. Can I publish this now? Video details. And I'm back on my grind. Processing will begin within 24 hours. I don't know what that means, but can we get these bad boys live? Can I post these? View on YouTube. Is it live? Autoplay is on. Settings. Theater mode. Bro, can anyone view this? Let me try this on Safari. Something's wrong with my Safari. Let me try it on Chrome. Boom, boom. It appears to be live. Anyone can view it. How does my voice sound?
With Canva Code, anything is possible. Even if you think debugging involves pest control, I just tell Canva what I need, and it takes care of the coding. It even brings...
Where's my volume? Hopefully it's because I want to stream. Type webcam. Live replay, upcoming. I just want to see all my videos. All my videos, all my live replays, everything in here. All right, well, let's come back to that. I got the shine, throw your hands up. How's my kick stream going? 2 viewers. Let's go. Okay. I'll keep this kick stream going. I don't know what's happening with YouTube, but oh man. Tomorrow we will nail this. How long do I have today? Oh, let me finish this integration. Perfect, we've got your HubSpot. HubSpot integration is still building. The AI, that's good. Let's do some CapCut. Turn on notifications. Sure. What? I don't need notifications, surely. I'm not updating. All right, I'm on a free CapCut account. Let's see what is possible. Let's stream this. Let's do another live stream with YouTube. Go live. Actually, no. So, I think it was this one. That was my day. Hey guys, day 12 of building the world's most advanced longevity technology, building this tech company to end aging, help as many people as humanly possible. Today, I have started a 30-day challenge. I'm doing ice bath, pull-ups, bulk water. So we're about to hit that ice bath behind me. It's going to be disgusting, but let's run it. Oh, I already ran day 12. Okay, this one's posted. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to run a day 12. I'm going to run it with my screen open here. So I'm going to do like a day 13. We have done a new feature update. Start again. Hey guys, day 13 of building the world's most advanced longevity technology in a hope to end the world's greatest problem, aging. I love building and I love solving problems. So we have launched Project 130. Project 130 is a longevity movement where we will look to build and enhance human longevity and health with AI technology. I have built an application and I've just added a new feature. So I want to give you guys an update on the feature that we added today. It is, here it goes. Ready? Let's run it. Whew, this hand's pretty quick. Stop recording. Okay, so I'm gonna go to CapCut now. Drop that. Where's my CapCut? CapCut. That's a fun word to say. CapCut. Kippity cut. Kippity cut. Okay, so CapCut. So I need to go back to a file new project, I imagine. I've never used CapCut really, so a bit of a learning experience for me. So in OBM, I go to File, I'm going to go to Show Recordings. My most recent recordings was this one. That's the one I just did. That's the intro to day 12. And then I did like a feature update. Where's this one? Hello and welcome. Today I'm running you through a new feature we've added to the app. There's a lot of science around receiving rewards and the motivation level of receiving. That is the one. That's the one, my G. Okay, so I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add that. So have I got both in there? What's one? It's definitely the first one. Okay, so far this appears to work as you would expect. Day 13, we have done a new feature update. Start again. Right there, I reckon. Drag right to there. And then we run it from here. Hey guys, day 13 of building the world's most advanced longevity technology in a hope to end the world's greatest problem, aging. I love building and I love solving problems. So we have launched Project 130. Project 130 is a longevity movement where we will look to build and enhance human longevity and health with AI technology. I have built an application and I've just added a new feature. So I want to give you guys an update on the feature that we added today. It is, here it goes. Ready? Let's run it. Whew, this hand's pretty cool. Hello and welcome. Today I'm running you through a new feature we've added to the app. There's a lot of science around. So let's run it back to there. Yeah. Cut to there. Bing. So get rid of all that rubbish. Feature. So I want to give you guys an update on the feature that we added today. It is, here it goes. Ready?
let's
Do just shut
feature
up.
that we added today.
Bingo. Shut up right there. Perfect. Then we come straight
Application, and I've just added a new feature, so I want to give you guys an update on the feature that we added today. There's a lot of science around receiving rewards and the motivation level of receiving rewards compared to losing. The motivation of losing is a lot higher than the motivation of receiving. So we've decided to add a solo challenge feature. What that means, because at the moment currently users complete habits that AI and science says will help them with their longevity and their health, and they receive the cryptocurrency of Qoin for doing so. So we've just added a new feature where you can run your own solo challenges. So you put your coin on the line. So if you do not complete those challenges for that, you can run a daily, weekly, or month, or 100-day one here. If you don't complete those, then you're out. You're not out. You lose your coin. If you don't complete those, you lose.
I want to split scenes, I want to transcribe, I want to separate audio, on exact audio, I want to cut. All I want to do is export clips, deactivate, trim clip, replace clip, open location, split scenes, edit, freeze, delete, copy attributes. I want to just remove the dead spaces. I know there's a feature for that. Transcribed, background, just like this magic one. Audio adjust, HD, audio. I just want to cut the silences. I did this yesterday. Why can I not find it now? Let's go over here. Audio, video. Reduce, AI expand, AI mix, AI remove. Eye contact, lip sync, relight, auto, reframe, remove flickers, AI movement, camera tracking. Reduce image, enhance quality, stabilize, blend, rotate.
Coin forever. So I'm going for a perfect week. Let's start off. So how does it work? Activate weekly perfect streak. It's high risk, 7 days, 100% completion, or you lose your week's earnings. And then I'm going to, so we'll run down here. So at the moment, I have 14 habits. I've completed 0, and my current streak is 0. So let's activate the challenge. Let's go. Okay, ready? So,
Dead.
at risk. So, the challenge has currently started. So let me jump over my dashboard and let's see what I've actually done. Yesterday I only got 33%, so I need a kick. I need a kick up to get this moving. So have I meditated for 2 minutes? No, I have not. Have I journaled? No, I have not. Have I read? Yes, I have. So, but today I'll make sure I meditate for 2 minutes. I'll make sure I journal. Have I had any multivitamins? Nope. I haven't done any of this stuff. I've had 1 liter of water. Let's try and double that.
Water.
Oh, okay. I have to come back to that one. How many pulls have I done? 0. How many squats have I done? 0. How many push-ups have I done? 0. So let's start that again. How many pulls have I done? You tell me.
Here is the best way to actually remove silences or unnecessary pauses from your videos using CapCut. Open CapCut and import your videos. Go to text and tap on auto caption to include captions to your video. Then drag your timeline to these empty spaces where there are no captions and cut them out.
Manual. Or maybe I just need to use the captions feature. Delete current captions. Identify fill words. Bilingual captions. I don't know what that means. Let's go. Generating captions. Right, how we look in chat? We got any legends in there? What a new follower. That's cool. Because if I get to 10, I'm getting in that ice bath back there, which is rough. How's my chat? Pretty lonely. Just kidding, I don't care. Let's go. So,
Hey guys, day 13 of building the world's most advanced longevity technology in a hope to end the world's greatest problem, aging. I love building and I love solving problems. So we have launched Project 130. Project 130 is a longevity movement where we will look to build and enhance human longevity.
I'll do my own captions, thanks. All right.
Health with AI technology. I have built an application and I've just added a new feature. So I want to give you guys an update on the feature that we added today. There's a lot of science around receiving rewards and the motivation level of receiving rewards compared to losing. How many pulls have I done? 0. How many squats have I done? 0. And how many push-ups have I done? 0. So let's start that again. How many pulls have I done? Any of this stuff, I've had 1 liter of water. Let's try and double that.
So I think I can do like a split scene. Oh, that's like a 10-second feature. You know what? I don't like this. I'm just gonna edit on my phone. Export. Resolution 8K. Right, that is exporting. I'll airdrop to my phone and I will fix it there. Cool. Jump back to my, oh, that's what we're doing. We're adding, still loading. Still integrating the CRM, which is exciting. How am I looking on OBS? So I went in here, it's CapCut, download it. I might do a quick little video that I had an idea of yesterday, printed some things out for it. Now, I'm not sure if the people like this, but they seem to engage and they get the conversation going. So to me, that's important. So let's go through. I have some CEOs, things they wish they knew lists. Let's start off with Elon Musk. So I'm going to go to start recording. Hey guys, I just wanted to go through some notes I printed out yesterday, some really exciting stuff. I thought it'd be cool to read Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and others about Elon. Elon, well, that's stupid. Let's start again. Hey guys, print out some lists of some quotes and some things Elon wish he, what does it say? Printed out some key lessons from Elon Musk. First one, relentless focus on solving the hardest problems. Choose what others think is impossible and go after it. That's a cool one. Number 2, think long term, not just for quick wins. Major breakthroughs come from sustained effort over years. Number 3, be customer and product centric. Innovating isn't about complexity, it's about deriving real value. Number 4, adaptability plus decisive action in uncertain environments. Bold decisions and willingness to fail matter. Number 5, do the deep work yourself. Immerse yourself in technical detail so you can ask the right questions. Beautiful. This guy is changing the world as we know it. Here's his list. Next one. Lazark. Oh, we got 2 viewers. Let's get busy in the chat. Bam. And I wonder if 8 out of 10 followers, 2 to go. Let's get my mum involved. Should follow me. Surely. Surely. Alright. You know, I tried to use CapCut. Kind of wish I just put it straight on my phone. So where is it? I've got these videos from today. How about I airdrop all of today's videos to my phone? If that works, that will save me a lot of time. Airdrop into my phone, let's go. 3, 2, 1. There it is. 3, 2, 1. You want it? Yes, accept. My phone's gonna explode, I know it. I shouldn't say that. Optimism is important. Elon Musk, focus on your vision and stay aligned with the mission. Having a clear purpose guides decision. Number 2, build and communicate your culture. What you spend your time on is what you become. Embrace feedback, iterate and be willing to make mistakes. Scale involves learning. Hire talent who share your mindset. One of the keys to scaling is the team you build. Innovation requires risk-taking and disruption. Don't let the status quo limit you. Bro, how's this airdrop going? Please, if that works. No, no go. Didn't work. Didn't think it would work. Offline. What the fuck, bro? Channel. Oh, am I still live? Oh. Stop streaming.